check out this strategy, guys, which you can actually use to promote your CPA marketing offers with the help of this platform right here called the Elai.io. So this is going to be an amazing strategy right now, which you can actually use to gain a lot of traffic to your CPA marketing offers. So guys, without more delay of time, guys, let's just simply jump right ahead into today's video. So the first step which you want to do, like always, guys, is to select a CPA marketing platform or offer which you want to promote right there. And I'm going to be using this platform right here, which is called the CPA Grade, to get offers from. And I could click on register. If I don't have an account, I'll be brought to this page, going to fill out this form appropriately, agree to the terms of services, and register for an account right now. So once your account has been approved, guys, you can then log into your account and be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. I'm just going to click on offer tools, click on my offers, and actually go on to getting offers right now, which I can actually go on to promoting. And you can see right now I can get offers from any country of my choice. Maybe I'm just going to go on to selecting offers from the United States, because I usually prefer promoting offers to that particular demographic because they do have a high buying power out there. So if I do check out an offer right now, this is a cool offer, which is giveaway offer for $750 towards your summer style. And you can actually see that your leads will actually have to come from the United States. They have to be using an Apple iOS device to submit their email and zip code while going through a survey using this link right here, which you do have as an affiliate link. And if they do that, guys, you do get paid $2.31 for each successful person that actually does that. So right now, guys, you want to just simply copy the link to this offer and actually go on to creating a landing page. And you can actually create a landing page with any of the landing page creator sites right there, be it the breezy.io, the Google site, the systemy.io, the Warrior Plus, the Get Response, or as many landing page creator sites are out there. You can use any one of them to create a landing page, but I'm not going to be dwelling much on how you can create a landing page right now, because I've created some videos earlier for you on how you could create a landing page. You could just simply go onto my channel, OJ Marketing, and you'll be able to see some videos out there that could actually help you. You can see this video right here, guys, which I created on how you can actually go on to creating a landing page to promote multiple CPA marketing offers with the help of Google sites. If I do keep on scrolling through, guys, you can see right here that there are actually more videos right here. This one right here is going to help you right there with the systemy.io, and guys, this one right here, guys, is going to help you with the Google sites also. And this is for the Breezy Cloud, and this right here is for Webflow. So you can see right here I've actually created a lot of videos right here that can actually help you go on to creating such cool and amazing high converting landing pages out there. So make sure you do go on to watching those videos, as they will help you right there in actually creating cool and amazing landing pages. So once you have actually created a landing page for this particular offer, you just want to go on to maybe coming right here to this section, which is called the Elai.io. And if you do head on to Elai.io, this is a cool and amazing AI tool where you can actually go on to creating such cool and amazing videos right there that are actually having some real avatars right there. And such avatars, guys, are AI avatars that are actually going to be talking as if they are actually human. You can see right here they generate AI videos with real human form, just with real humans just from text. And right now, guys, I'm just going to go on to playing this particular video right here for you, so you can actually see how cool this actually is.
Welcome to Elai. Have you ever imagined being able to create amazing videos with real people? Now with the help of AI, you can create engaging videos with the real presenters in minutes just from text. Say goodbye to cost.
So guys, you can actually see how cool and amazing that actually looks. So just simply go onto this platform and take advantage of that right now. And how do you want to take advantage of that? Just simply go on to sign up for this platform. You can actually click on the pricing section right here, and you'll be able to see the price details to this particular AI tool. You can see right here that for the free account, you do only get 1 minute of free credit, but you could register for either the basic account right here or the advanced account, and you can see the corporate plan right now. And you can see the amount which you're actually going to be spending each and every single month. But guys, once you actually do that right here, guys, you could then just simply go on to using this AI tool to create some cool and amazing video. And you can create a cool and amazing video, guys, with as already having an avatar. I could just simply come right here, click on AI storyboard, and if I do click on AI storyboard right now, I'm just going to come right here, click on get started, and I'm just going to select the template which I want to use. I'm going to select this particular template right now. I'm going to just simply go on to clicking on create video, And once you do click on create video right now, guys, as you can see, it says the video generation is in progress. So guys, once that is done, guys, you just want to come right here, insert a header here, insert a subheader, add in an image, and you want to insert the text to speech right here. That is the speech which that AI is actually going to talk more about. You could also go on to add in maybe a new section right here and actually go on to deleting that if you don't want to right here. So basically, guys, I'm just going to add in something real quick from this CPA marketing offer. So once I do add in something really short right now, I'm just going to click on convert to slide, and in a matter of some seconds right there, this will be converted to slides, which I can actually do go on to checking out and editing. And if I do click on add slide, you can see the avatar right here. I could go on to changing the avatar. If I do come right here, click on avatar, guys, you'll be able to see a lot more avatars right here, which you can actually do go on to using right here for this particular AI video. And you can just simply go on to editing this based on your preference. You could come right here and actually go on to putting this text to speech, what you actually want this AI to actually say, or this avatar to actually go on to saying. So just simply fix that right there. Go on to creating a cool video, and once you're actually done, guys, just simply click on render and your video will be created. You could also use other AI tools out there which are actually free, because this one right now, guys, you do get to pay for that particular for this particular AI tool. So you can actually take advantage of other AIs out there like the Flicky AI, which you can actually do get some free period every single month. You get some time which you can actually do go on to creating videos every single month. But a more better one right now is the Pictory AI. Now with the Pictory AI, guys, you can actually go on to creating short, highly shareable branded videos from your long form content, because it is quick, it is cost effective, and it's also easy. You don't need any technical skill or to download any software to actually do so. And guys, it's quite amazing, guys, because you can actually create videos from this platform for absolutely free right now. So just simply head on to this platform and actually start creating some cool and amazing videos. And right there, guys, I've actually created some videos right there, or a video about this and how you could promote a CPA marketing offer with this AI tool called the Pictory AI. Check out my channel right there. You'll be able to see that video, which could actually help you. So once you do create some cool videos right there with this AI tool, just make sure, guys, that in the video you are actually putting a call to action, telling them to just simply check out the link in the description of this video for a giveaway. You could tell this AI tool to actually say it by typing it in this section right here, and just simply go on to downloading the video. So once that is actually downloaded, guys, you're going to just simply go on to downloading the video and go on to as many social media platforms as you can. You could go on to YouTube, you could go on to Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and a lot more other social media platforms out there. And the more you do head on to such social media platform to promote that particular video, you want to make sure that link to that CPA marketing offer, or rather your landing page right there, be the Google site or Breezy.io or any other landing page which you actually did create for this particular offer, is actually the link. You want to make sure that that link is actually made available to your audience right there, because as you're posting that particular video, if you're using YouTube, you want to make sure that that link to that particular landing page is in the description of that video, and you're directing them, telling them that that's the giveaway link right there. And if you're using Facebook, you could actually put that in the caption of that particular video. That is the link in the caption of that video, and make sure that that link is always visible and easily accessible by your audience right there. And in doing so, guys, because a lot of people will be attracted by the videos that are actually created with the help of these AI tools, and if they are attracted to that, guys, they'll be able to listen to that call to action, which is also going to drive them to clicking on that particular offer. And if they do complete that offer and actually do fulfill all these criteria right here, you do get paid $2.31 for each and every successful lead right now. So this is an amazing strategy which you want to take advantage of right now. And I hope this video has been of help to you. If yes, simply go on to smashing the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. So guys, if you do have any question right there, you could just simply go down in the comment section below and just simply ask me. I'm going to reply you in due time. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.